girl Sharae, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So today I am doing the polygel nails, the little nail kit or whatever. I'm doing that. Okay, so this how it came. I know, right? But it's all secure and stuff, so it's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna take out everything. Okay. Let me see. How can I make it so that y'all can see? Okay, y'all can see now. Yeah? You know what? Whatever. Okay, so I got this little mini lamp. Let me show y'all. Ooh. I like how they just expect me to have an extra block laying around. It's cool though. Well, I do have an extra block laying around. But is it gonna reach? It's a far reach. The cord too short. Okay, they gave me some clippers. I already clipped my nails though. So I already did all of that. For your toes, I'm not doing my toes. Little nail art or whatever. Oh, I got this from Jane and Andy. I wish some of these things had directions on the back of them. I guess this is nail art too. Ooh. Here go the nails. The nails. I should do some regular acrylic nails too. They gave me some cuticle oil. I appreciate that. Okay. What's this? I guess this so you can put it on. And they just gave me all of these different colors. I got 6, I think. That's 4. They gave me base coat and top coat. A filer and a buffer. They gave me some of these, so if I wanted to do some what's it called? French tips, yes. And then this So I guess this side for when you're trying to take it off, and then this side is for when you're putting it on, applying the gel. This is cute. I like this. So these are the little directions. They want me to trim and file my nails. Okay, I can do that. Okay, so they want me to do the top. Okay, I just buff it out and all that. So they want me to select my nails. I gotta size it up and all that. Oh, I skipped the step. I skip it. They want me to do the top coat. I mean the base coat. Thanks. I don't know why, but I just feel like I'm doing a really good job. Oh, I forgot. They want me to go under this too. That thing bright. It don't even say how long. Usually they do like 30 seconds to a minute. Oh, it go off by itself. Okay. This thing's still looking wet. I'm gonna just do it again. It go off by itself. This thing high tech, y'all. This is high tech. Girl. High tech. Thing just burned me. I mean, I knew it was high tech, but maybe try again. If it burned me again, I'm not doing it. I'm scared. Okay, maybe I just put too much. I don't know. That was weird. Okay, I'm not messing with that thing no more. All right. My nail size. These kind of weird shaped, but now I'm gonna pick a color. I'm gonna do nude pink. Nude pink. Let me smell this one too. What does this smell like? thought I was about to be up in here like the people at the salon, but no. Hot mess. Hot mess. Keep my so I know how they look. I know. Okay, so I just finished with this. Feel like I've been sitting up here for the longest time. Now they want me to do the top coats. Hot mess, a real hot mess. Maybe next time I can try again and it'll be better. But this first time, And I'm gonna wear my nails like this too after I shape them. They're gonna be like this till they fall off. Kind of just like gave up on the whole thing because what is this? What is this? And then when I was trying to cut this one, the whole thing just broke off. So I'm just done with the whole thing. So these my nails. I know, very ghetto, I know.